experienced in the real world, irrational numbers are also real numbers only. Is that making sense, bacho? Yes? Yes? Is that clear, students? Is that clear? Now, students, focus. Real numbers are having two groups now. Those real numbers which are in the ratio of integers are rational numbers. Those numbers which I cannot write in the ratio of two integers, like root 2, root 3, pi, these are irrational numbers. Okay? Yes? Yes? Arnav is asking, sir, pi can be written as 22 by 7. Arnav and everyone listen. Arnav and everyone listen. Pi is equal to 3.1415926 and so on. It is not going to stop. It is non-terminating. Terminate meaning stop. So it is not going to stop. It will have infinite digits, and it is also not going to repeat. It is not going to recur. Meaning different numbers will come again and again. Different numbers will come again and again. Okay. But 22 by 7 is rational. This bacho is approximated value of pi, not exact value of pi. 3.14 is also approximated value of pi. So for calculation purposes, we use these approximated values, but the pi itself is irrational. 22 by 7 rational hai. 3.14 is rational. Pi is irrational. Is that clear, students? Arnav, aaya samajh mein? Arnav understood? Yes, Siddhi, that's correct. Is that clear, everyone? I want to know. Students, I want all of you to sit straight and participate. Tell me if it is clear to all of you, yes or no. Okay, great. Now, everyone, focus. Focus. For real numbers, everyone, for real numbers, we use the symbol capital R. R for real, so R. For rational numbers, we use a symbol Q. Why Q? Because rational numbers are ratios, they are in the division. So Q for quotient we use for Q. And for irrational number, we use Q complement. Meaning those real numbers that are not rational are irrational. So Q complement, okay? You can write like this also, Q with a prime sign like this, Q complement, meaning those real numbers which are not rational are irrational. Yep. Is that clear, everyone? Understood? Tell me. Is that clear? Yes. Everyone, is that clear to all of you? Yes. Burhanuddin, that is the basic concept about terminating and non-terminating. I will tell you in the doubter part, okay, after the class. Chaliye. Now, students, let us start with the main stuff of today's. Talking about irrational numbers. These numbers are because root 2 को मैं लिख सकता हूँ root 2 by 1. Okay, लिख सकते हैं. We can write it. But sir, root 2 over here is not an integer. It is not an integer. If I write the value, it will go on forever. Now, students, tell me. Let me see if your base is strong or not. Is root 12 an irrational number? Let me see if your base is strong or weak. Is root 12 an irrational number, everybody? Tell me. Let me see. Let me see. Students, it is grade 9 for all of you. I want all of you to pay attention and be 100% focused. I knew most of you will make mistake in this. I knew. I knew. Done? Okay. Now, students, let me tell you where you made the mistake. These are concepts of grade 8. Everyone focus. Everyone focus. Focus, everyone, focus. Root 12 can be written as root of 2 into 2 into 3. Yes or no, students? Yes or no? Yes or no? Sir, square root means half power. So every two twos, this 2 will become 1, 2, and it will come outside the root. But root 3 cannot be solved. So my answer is true. It is an irrational number because it has root 3 in it. Is that understandable, everyone? Tell me. Is that clear? So let me tell you a little mantra. Solve the root. If the root is gone, the number is rational. If the root is still there, you are not able to solve it, then it is irrational. When we're talking about roots, okay? Priyam, in the end, when I start taking the doubts, then you can ask about pi. Okay, I will tell you. Don't worry. You are asking a very fun question. I will tell you. Don't worry. Now, students, let me see one more thing. If you are good with operations on real numbers, I want all of you to solve this question. Which of the following statement is are true? Go ahead. Go ahead. And students, one very important thing, because you guys have joined the class, take the coins from my side. Everyone, you have to click on your screen. You only have 5 seconds left. Collect your coins. You can use these coins to buy goodies from Oda Mall. Yes. Chaliye. Do you all have the answer? Give me a yes or no. If you have the answer, then only click on yes. Give the answer, everybody. Done? Give the answer. It is a multiple correct answer. Students, listen to me. It is a multiple correct answer. You have to click on all the options which are right. You have to click on all the options which are correct. Yes. Most of you are answering it correctly. That's good. That is good. It means your sum base is there. Sum base is strong there. Good job. Okay, now some of you are struggling. Last 10 seconds are left, everybody. Last take. Everyone participate. Answer the quizzes. All right, everyone. Okay, how many of you chose option A as the answer? Tell me in the chat box. How many of you chose option A as the answer? Yes. Let us understand, Bachu. Let us understand. We are going to observe by ourselves, okay? What is the value of root 9, students? What is the value of root 9? What is the value of root 9? 3. What is the value of root 4? What is the value of root 4? Sir, 2. If I add them, what am I going to get? 3 plus 2 is how much, everybody? The 5. Okay. अब इसका आंसर कीजिए. What is root 9 plus 4? What is root 9 plus 4? So root 13. Now, honestly tell me, students, is 5 and root 13 equal to each other? Are they equal? Is root 13 and 5 equal to each other? No. No. Students, this is how mathematics tell us that you are doing something incorrect. If I have root 9 plus root 4, I cannot write root on the entire thing. Because if you do so, you can prove that 5 and root 13 are equal. Are you getting it, everyone? So root cannot be shared, root cannot be distributed in the case of addition. Understood? Let us try one more now. Root 16 is 4, root 25 is 5, so we are getting 9. And here I'm getting root of 25 plus 16 is root of 41. Bacho, tell me, is 9 and root 41 equal to each other? Are they equal? No, again. So what did we learn, Bacho? Students, tell me in the chat box, what did we learn? That, sir, You cannot put the root on the entire thing in the case of addition. We cannot do this. Understood? Students, understood? Let's talk about subtraction. Let us talk about subtraction. Let's do the same thing, okay? So root 9 is 3, root 4 is 2. If you subtract, you will get 1. And here you are getting root of 9 minus 4, which is root 5. Tell me, students, is 1 and root 5 equal? Are they equal, students? Again, no. Okay, let's try one more. Root 25 is 5, root 16 is 4, we are getting 1. And here we are getting root of 9, which is 3. Students, tell me, kya 1 or 3 barabar hai kya? Is 1 and 3 equal to each other? No. What did we learn? Root cannot be shared in the case of subtraction also. It cannot be. That is why option B is also wrong. Let's talk about option C. Students, what is the value of root 9? What is the value of root 9? 3. What is the value of root 4, students? 2. What is 3 into 2, students? 6. Now solve this. So root of 9 into 4 is 36. What is root 36, bacho? Sir, 6. And can you see that both the sides are giving me the same number? I can put the root on the entire thing in the case of multiplication. Understood, students? Understood? Everybody understood, yes or no? Okay. Tell me this. What about division? So root 9 is 3. Root 4 is 2. So 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is 1.5, right? 1.5 it is. And this is root of 9 by 4 is 2.25. And if you solve the root, you will get 1.5 only. You will see both the sides are exactly same. Students, what did we learn? Let me summarize for all of you. Everyone focus. Everyone focus. We learned that you can put the root on the entire thing in the case of multiplication. In the case of division, not only just root, any power, you can do it, okay? But in the case of addition and subtraction, not possible. Is that clear, everyone? Tell me in the chat box. Everyone, is that clear to all of you? Let us do some questions then. If it is clear, let us do some questions. Give me the answer of this question. What is 3 root 5 into 2 root 3? Sir, you have to multiply the numbers outside the root. So 3 into 2. And then the numbers which are inside the root, okay? So root 5 into root 3, okay? 3 times 2 is 6. Students, can I write root 5 into root 3 as root of 5 into 3? Kar sakte hain kya, students? Can we do this? So it is, we are multiplying, so we can do it. So our answer is 6, root 15 is our answer. Everybody, did you get it? Understood? I am working on your base, bacho, okay? Make your base strong. You are in grade 9. If you are going to make these mistakes, students, you will keep on making them forever. Start working on your weaknesses, bacho. Okay, let us try one more. Try this. Give me the answer. Multiplying 6 root 5 and 2 root 5. Give me the answer. Students, those who have just joined, some of you have just joined, students. We are working on few basic concepts today. And once we are done with this, in the end, we are going to start with difficult questions soon. And bacho, tomorrow is a very important day. I will tell you about tomorrow. I will tell you, but first do this question. Multiplying 6 root 5 and 2 root 5, what are we going to get? Go ahead, everybody, give me the answer. Multiply 6 root 5 and 2 root 5, what are we going to get? There you go. Students, all of you participate. Students, it is grade 9 for all of you. I'm repeating again because grade 9 is one of the most important grade. Not one of the most important. It is the most important grade, the most important, bachu. Start focusing on mathematics and science. Start from now itself. Last 10 seconds. And let me tell you, bachon, 60% of you have answered the question incorrectly. Can you imagine? But don't worry, I'm here to help. Do not worry, students. How many of you chose option A as the answer? 300. It means, bacha, you are not understanding. I am muting all of you and now see how I am doing the question. First, combine the normal numbers, okay? This is 6 root 5 into 2 root 5, okay? Multiply 6 and 2. 6 into 2 is 12, okay? Give me a thumbs up if this step is clear. All of you, give me a thumbs up if this step is clear, if you made a mistake. Those who got it right, it's good. Now let's come to the normal square root number. Root 5 into root 5. Can I put the root on the entire thing and multiply the bases? We just learned that we can distribute and we can share the power in the case of addition and in the case of multiplication and division. Addition subtraction we cannot do. So 12. So root 5 into 5, 1 5 will come outside the root. So 60 will be my answer. Understood? So root ke andar, if I have 2 5s, 1 5 will be left. A square root means half power. So we factorize and every pair just become 1 outside the root. Okay? Yes, every pair will come only once outside the root. Okay, next question, everyone. Next question. Let me see if you can handle this. Division. 3 root 8 divided by 6 root 2. What is the answer? 3 root 8 divided by 6 root 2. What is the answer? Students, can I write this problem like this? 3 root 8 upon 6 root 2. Can I write this problem like this, everyone? Students, there is a bracket for division here, okay? There is a bracket here. Chaliye. Now tell me, 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6. So I divided the normal numbers. Can you all see? Now students, can I put the root on the entire thing like this? Root 8 upon root 2 can become root of 8 upon 2. Are the steps making sense, everybody? Tell me. 1 upon 2 into root 4. Root 4, sir, is 2. So 1 is the answer. Understood? Yes? If you have understood, show me that you have understood by doing this question. I have muted all of you so that you can focus only on the question. Upon dividing 8 root 15 by 2 root 3, what are we going to get? Upon dividing 8 root 15 by 2 root 3, 8 root 15 upon 2 root 3, what are we going to get? Students, if you have any doubts, I will be here. After the class also, you can ask doubts as many as you want, okay? So be relaxed, do not worry. Do you all have the answer? Give me a yes or no, then I will play the poll. I'll play the quiz. There will be 4 options. You have to click on one of them and then click on submit. You have to click on submit also, okay? Give the answer, students. Okay. Last 10 seconds are left. Last 10 seconds are left. Good job. You guys are improving a little. Good job. Students, if you have any doubt, okay, let us complete the concepts. In the end, I will explain the doubt. I will take your doubts as well. So do not worry, okay? Chaliye. Now, students, sometimes we have to break the number as well, okay? For example, if I have root 12, tell me, can I write 12 as 1 into 2? Tell me in the chat box, everybody. Can I write